In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and view your Microsoft Planner tasks directly within Microsoft To Do. This process ensures that everything you need to stay organized and on top of your responsibilities is right at your fingertips, streamlining your workflow across Microsoft's productivity tools. First, we'll get started by opening up Microsoft To Do. To access the platform, you have a couple of options. You can either navigate to http://todo.office.com in your web browser, where you'll find all the features of Microsoft To Do online, or you can open the dedicated app if you're using a Windows PC, iOS, or Android device. Whichever method you choose, you'll have complete access to Microsoft To Do's functionalities, and it's this versatility across platforms that makes it such a powerful tool. Next, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. It's crucial to ensure that this is the same account you utilize for Microsoft Planner, as this consistency is what will allow the integration between the two applications to function correctly. Once you're logged in, you're well on your way to creating a seamless flow of information between Microsoft Planner and To Do. Now that you're signed in, we'll move on to enabling the Planner integration in Microsoft To Do. Look for your name or your profile picture in the top left corner of the interface. Click on it, and then select Settings, symbolized by a small gear icon. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Connected Apps. Here, you'll see an option for Planner. Simply toggle this option to On if it isn't already active. This is the key step that will allow Microsoft To Do to start syncing the tasks assigned to you in Microsoft Planner. Once you've enabled the integration, Microsoft To Do will take care of the rest by automatically importing your tasks from Planner. You don't have to worry about manually transferring each task or missing anything important. It's all done for you in the background. It's a small but incredibly impactful feature that enhances productivity by reducing the risk of overlooking any tasks assigned to you. With everything set up, it's time to see your Planner tasks in action within Microsoft To Do. Shift your focus to the left sidebar and locate the section labeled Assign to Me. Clicking here will bring up a list of all the tasks from Planner that have been allocated to you. You'll notice that these tasks have seamlessly made their way into Microsoft To Do, perfectly integrated for your review and management. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Microsoft Planner into Microsoft To Do, creating a unified system for task management. Whether you're planning your day or tracking ongoing projects, having everything in one place makes it easier to achieve your productivity goals. Thanks for watching.